Okay, so I'm going to start this demo by showing you how to take something out of Photoshop and put it into Flash. So we're going to start by opening up Photoshop on this computer. And I already have an image that I grabbed off the internet of Michelangelo's David. Most of you will have made your own artwork, but I want to show you a couple of functions in Flash that will make building your final cartoon piece a lot easier. So here we have Photoshop, Creative Cloud. I'm going to go ahead and just create a Photoshop version of a JPEG that exists. So I'm going to go to File, Open, and I put it inside of my Captivate Videos area. Here's David, statue source. Going to open him on up. That's just preset. So the big thing I want to do with this is to just cut down on any unnecessary space around him. So you can see that's not the best crop yet. I can hit V as in victory and slide that on over. Actually, it's going to be easier for me to select the crop tool again in the upper left hand corner and just kind of grab this all at once. This doesn't require really high sophisticated cropping, but the less of this white space around is going to be the better. So edit or image crop, that's kind of midway down. And what cropping does is it gets rid of the stuff we don't want. So I'm going to File, Save. I'm not going to bother changing that. I'm going to drop down the size of this a little bit by dropping it to a quality of 5 medium. Okay, so that just saved over my existing document. I don't need that anymore. And let me go into Flash by clicking on Flash down here. You can see that this is the character we're going to use. This is Michael's character, Cricket, from his piece Matibus. We're going to create a new file, and I'm going to use an action script in Flash to create this. So go on and say OK. I'm going to modify the document. We want to go something square. 550 is fine, so is 400. And we'll click OK. Now we've got our document set up. This is our timeline. These timelines have layers. You can see this layer 1 is going to allow us to break apart whatever we bring into multiple pieces like we did in class. Over here to the far right, we've got our various tools that we can use to modify what we're building. So all that's pretty straightforward. And we're going to go to